Hey there, welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering your marketing strategy. In this video, we will take a deep dive into creating a powerful, results-driven marketing plan from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start or struggled to build a strategy that actually delivers, you're in the right place. We're here to simplify the process and make it actionable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every essential step, from defining your goals and understanding your audience, to choosing the right channels, crafting compelling content, and measuring your success. Each step is crucial and builds upon the previous one. Let's kick things off with the foundation, defining your goals. Your goals are your roadmap. They guide every decision you make and keep you focused. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales, having clear, measurable goals is crucial. Write them down, make them specific, and set a timeline. This clarity will help you stay on track and measure your progress effectively. Next up, understanding your audience. Know who you're talking to. Create detailed buyer personas, dive into demographics, psychographics, and behaviors. The more you know about your audience, the better you can serve them. The more you understand your audience, the more effectively you can tailor your message to resonate with them. This connection is key to driving engagement and conversions. Now let's talk about choosing the right channels. Not all channels are created equal. Your audience might be hanging out on Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Each platform has its own strengths and audience. Research where they spend their time and focus your efforts there. Quality over quantity, folks. It's better to be effective on a few channels than spread too thin across many. Crafting compelling content is the heart of your strategy. Content is king, but context is God. Your content should provide value, educate, entertain, inspire, or solve problems. This is what will keep your audience coming back for more. Use a mix of formats, blogs, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Diversifying your content keeps things interesting and reaches different segments of your audience. And don't forget to engage, respond to comments, and build a community around your brand. Engagement fosters loyalty and turns followers into advocates. Now, measuring your success. This is where the magic happens. Use analytics tools to track your progress and measure key metrics like engagement, conversion rates, and ROI. These metrics will tell you what's working and what needs adjustment. Regularly review and tweak your strategy based on what's working and what's not. This iterative process is essential for continuous improvement. Before I wrap up, I want to emphasize one thing. Be patient and consistent. Building a strong marketing strategy takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's turn your marketing efforts into a focused, winning strategy. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching, and let's get started on transforming your marketing game. Share this video and let's grow together. Together, we can achieve great things. Let's make your marketing strategy a success.